We had solved till 4 questions, finding the square root by prime factorization method.
Yes, sir.
729 we had calculated and it was 23.
27, sir.
27. All right. Now we shall calculate the prime factorization method for finding square root of 400. For that we have to divide by smallest prime number. So I'll consider
By 2, sir.
400. Then I'll start dividing by 2. It goes with 200. Further 200 times. Further 250 times. Further 225 times.
25 times.
5 times
Five,
and 5 one
5
time.
once.
After doing this prime factorization, we need to write 400 as 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. It is because here we have one pair, second pair, third pair. So 3 pairs are there, 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. So 400 will be 20 whole square. You need to multiply this inside ones or the base. 2 into 2 into 5 is 20. So 20 square. Therefore, square root of 400 is 20. This is how we simplify by using prime factorization method. This was a easier one, so you could calculate in an easy way. What if some larger number like 1764 is given? Always look at units place. If it is an even number, start
It
dividing
is
by
divisible
2.
by 2.
So it is 882 times. So further dividing by
741.
2, 441.
41.
Now, is this number divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the sum is 9, so it is divisible by 3, 147 times.
Yes, sir.
Now,
It is also divisible by
further
3.
it is divisible by 3 because the
Three 49 times.
sum is 12, isn't it? So 349 times.
So 7,
Now
7.
7,
it
7,
is divisible by 7 times. So 7 one time.
One time.
Now if you look at the group, it is 2 square into 3 square into 7 square.
7 square.
Therefore, the inside one if you multiply, the bases if you multiply, you get 42
42.
square. Hence the root of 1764 is 42.
42.
It's that simple. Now quickly I will tell you the prime factorization method for 4096. You have to divide by 2. Further it is divisible by 2. If you look at all these are the factors of 2.
Yes, sir.
Look at how many pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs are there.
6 pairs, sir.
Yes, sir. In the square root of 400.
If 2 is multiplied 6 number of times, we get
64.
64. Hence, the root of 406 time 96 is 64.
64 square.
So sometimes they may give easier question like this, or they may increase the difficulty like this 7744. It is divisible by 2.
2.
Further, it is divisible by 2. Further, it is divisible by 2.
2.
Now you tell.
11.
If 121 is there, it is
Sir,
not
11, sir.
divisible by
11 times.
correct
11, sir.
11 times.
11 one times.
Here we have
11, sir.
a
88.
pair with 11 and the remaining are the pair with 2.
Sir, 88 square.
88 square.
Very good. 88 square. So the root is 88. This one is very simple. You all can try this. It's not so difficult. Shall I give little time for you to solve?
Sir,
Yes,
98.
sir.
98?
Yes.
Because the end number or units place is 4. If 4 is the units place, either it has to end with 2 or it has to end with 8.
Sir, 98.
98. Yes.
Yes, sir,
Quickly you
98.
look at how you have
Yes, sir,
divided.
98.
Hopefully you have divided it right. So 4802 times to 2401 time. Now it is not divisible by 3. You have to consider 7. 343 times, 749 times, 77 times, 71 times.
7 times 7 1.
Though the number of pairs are small, but the numbers are larger. So we get a larger answer. We get
90.
answer has come here. Okay, 98. All right. Now I'll quickly tell these two. You can just note down the question and you can try on your own and just observe. This particular number is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
25 is the sum.
Sum is
So
25.
25, so it is not divisible by 3. Then what
it is
number should
divisible
be
by
considered?
7.
Is it?
By 7. Yes,
There
sir.
is no test for divisibility by 7. You need to divide. There is no other go. It exactly goes with 847. So 7, once again, if you divide, we get 121, 11 11 times, 11 1 time. It's that simple now.
77
77.
square.
Yes, 77 square.
Sir,
Correct, very
77
good.
square.
77 square.
77
77
square.
square. The first step only is difficult to identify that it is divisible by 7. The rest of the things are very easy, and the root of 5929 is 77. Now, if you have 9216, it is divisible by 2. So when we
Yes, sir.
divide, we get
460.
4608. Now, once again, divide by 2, we get
2304.
2304. Once again, divide by 2,
115.
1152. Divide by 2, 576. Divide by
288.
2, we get
144.
288. 144. Further, it
72.
is divisible 72,
36.
36,
18.
18, 9.
90.
Now we have 3 times.
3
So there is only one pair which is having 3. Rest of the things are having 2.
1 2 3 4 5
Look at this. 5 times 2 has to be taken. So 32 will be there. Along with that,
94
3 should
square.
be multiplied.
96 square.
6
Very
96
good.
Yes, sir.
32
It's a
into 3
96.
is 96.
96
So we get 96 as the square root of 9216. This is a simple one.
23.
23. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. This is divisible by 23, not with any other number. So square root of 529 is
23.
23.
Sir, voice is breaking.
90.
90.
Sir, square root of 8100 is 90.
90
90
90.
sir.
square root
90
of
is correct.
8100 is 90.
It is correct. It's easy to guess that it is 90
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
because
Sir, 99, sir, 81, sir. Only
one,
0 is added both sides, sir.
1 0 is there. Square will be having 2 zeros. 9 square is
Yes, sir.
81. So it's easy to guess. If you do prime factorization, it is actually lengthy. It is like this.
Yes, sir.
So you have
One
one pair of 2,
2 pairs of
pairs
3
of
Two pairs
3,
of
and
3.
one pair
One
of
pair
5.
of 5.
Sorry, voice is breaking. 9 9 2
Voice is breaking.
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, Uday's connection is.
No,
I think.
sir.
Uday, sit at a comfortable place where signals are there. So if 5 is multiplied to 3, it is 15. Multiplied to 3, it is 45. Multiplied to 2, it is 90. This is a different question. Just observe the question here. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect square. Also find square root of the number so obtained. So whatever the numbers are given here, it's not a perfect square. You have to find out the smallest whole number which makes this number as a perfect square.
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
First, you have to follow prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, you have to
Yes,
group them.
Yes, sir.
When you
Yes,
group
sir.
them, there will be
The
a
number
number
left
left out.
Yes, sir.
It will not
And
be
we should
having
add
a
or
pair.
subtract, sir.
No. It is not a question related to addition subtraction. It is a question related to multiplication. What should be multiplied? So
Left
if
over
I,
number.
Yes, sir.
if I divide this using prime factorization, it is 126 times,
7 is left.
2 63 times, 3 21 times, 3 7 times, 7 1
It should
time.
be multiplied by 7.
Sir, 7
Here,
should be multiplied.
correct. Here we have 2 as a pair, 3 as a pair, 7 is not having a pair. So this particular
Yes.
number is
So the square
extra.
number is 42.
So 7 has to be multiplied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Basangoda is telling reminder should be multiplied. Actually, it is not a reminder. We are not doing exact division. It is prime factorization. So when we do prime factorization, we have pairs except a number. To this, you have to make a pair. So you have to multiply 7 on either side. When you multiply 7 to 252, we get 1764, and
Yes, sir.
root of 1764 will be what? Will be
42, sir.
42. Very good.
42.
So 3 sevens are 21. Multiplied to 2 is 42. It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have a
Yes,
1
sir.
minute 1 minute time to solve this and tell me what
Sir, solve, sir.
remains.
Sir, 5.
Sir,
5
5.
5 remains unpaid.
Sir, 5,
Very
sir.
good.
5 should be multiplied to 180.
Very good. When 5 is multiplied to 180, it becomes 900.
900.
So square root of 900 is 30.
30.
Yes.
30,
Yes,
sir.
very good. Hope you have understood this method. Here we
Yes,
have
sir.
2 with pair, 3 with pair, 5 is not having a pair. So this number to be multiplied.
Yes, sir.
Next, 1008. Is it a perfect square?
No,
No.
sir.
Sir.
That's why it is given in the question. Yes, what pair you have to make now? Okay, let us divide together. When I divide by
7 sevens. So 7 is remain.
2, we get 502. Further, when we divide by 2, we get 252.
252.
It is divisible by 2 126 times. It is further divisible by 2 63 times. Now it is divisible by 3 21 times,
21 times.
3 7 times, 7 1
7.
time. So it is very clear. It is very clear that it is not having a pair.
Yes, sir. 7 should be
1008
multiplied.
should be multiplied to
7.
7. What do we get?
7056.
7056.
7056.
After this, we just mention this root of 7056 will be equal to
84, sir. 84.
84.
this will be 4 multiplied to 3 is 12. 12 times of 7 is 84.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's look at 2028. It is divisible by 2. So we get 1014,
14.
2,
500.
507 times, 3, 169 times, 13, 13 times, 13, 1 time.
3, sir. 3 is remaining. 3.
Sir,
This is an
3
odd
should be
man out.
multiplied.
Yes, very good. 3
Yes,
should be
sir.
multiplied. If 3 is multiplied to 2028, do we get
6084.
4, sir.
6084?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Therefore, at the end you have to write root of 6084 is equal
78.
to
78.
78, sir.
78.
from here 13. If 3 is multiplied, it becomes 3 square. So 13 threes are 39. Multiply to 2, 78.
8.
Okay, one more, last one. And last two are there. Probably 2, 3 are there. Okay. 1458. Upon dividing, we get 729. Now you tell me.
Sir, it should
Is
be divided
divisible by
by
3?
multiplied by
Sir,
2.
divided by 3, sir.
It should be
By
multiplied by
2, sir.
2 divided by 3, sir. Divided by 3, sir. Divided by 3, sir. Sir,
Sir,
2 does not have a pair, sir.
1458
So it
should be multiplied by 2.
So 1458 multiplied by 2, sir.
Very good, sir. Somebody said in the beginning only. Did you guess that 2 should be multiplied?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
How did you guess?
Sir, because it can't form a pair alone, sir. It is alone, so.
Unless we find using prime factorization, we cannot come to know. How did you come to know?
Sir,
Sir,
because
in
we will
beginning,
get pair
sir,
after
we
that only,
haven't
sir.
got is
So
a pair,
it
sir.
does not have a pair, sir. 2. So that's why
Shobal,
I mixed it
my
easily.
question was, unless you do prime factorization, you cannot guess this 2 should be
Yes, sir.
multiplied. How
Yes,
did you
sir.
guess?
sir, because in the
Sir,
unit
I done it,
digits,
sir.
It is not like that, sir. Look at the second step. We have started with 3.
Yes, sir.
So in mind, it should run that 2 is not having a pair.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct. This is how you have to guess. So we get
the 54.
2916. At the end, root of 2916 is
54.
34.
54 or 34?
54.
54. So 3 multiplied 3 times is 27 times of 2 is 54, correct?
54.
768.
Sir, 3 we should multiply.
Not sure. Not sure. Rhythm?
Sir, 3, sir.
Rhythm? 3 to be multiplied?
Yes, sir. 3 should be
Yes, sir.
multiplied.
Okay. Let's divide. We get 3 at the end.
3 does not have a pair, sir.
So only 3 is not having a pair. So 3 to be multiplied. If you multiply, we get 2304. Therefore, root of 2304 is 48.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have a different question. Here the question is, for which of the following numbers, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number which by which it should be divided so that it becomes a perfect square.
So we should do the same step, but at last we should
Correct.
divide by the last number, sir. So the pair will be cutted, sir.
Corrected.
Cancelled, sir.
Answered. So 252, let's divide. It becomes 126 times.
7
So
is remaining.
to
Sir.
further
is divided by 7.
63 times 3.
21.
21 times 3. 7
Seven.
7
times
times 7.
7 one time.
7
So 252 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 7.
into 7.
Now we have to divide both the side by 7. I will tell in Shobhan's method, 7 will be cutted. So we'll cancel this 7. We get a square.
36 is
So when we divide this, 7 3 times is 21, 6 times is 42. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. So we get
square.
6.
the root of 36 as
6.
6,
6
sir.
square.
very simple. Try this now.
Sir, 13 cannot be paired.
13 cannot be paired.
And 15 is
Only he who has answered remaining. Are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which number is
Yes,
not
sir.
having pair?
13.
13.
13 is
Sure.
not
It is
having
not
pair,
having
sir.
pair, sir. So we should divide 2925 by
Very
13,
good.
sir.
13 is not having pair. At the end, 2925 has to be divided by 13.
225.
The new number obtained is
Sir,
225.
15 square, sir. 15
So
square.
root of 225 is 15.
15.
So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You just note down these two questions. 396, 2645. The next two we will do. 2800.
7, sir. 7, 7,
7.
7. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. How did you guess that it is 7?
Because
Isn't it? It is 4 into 7 into 100.
7, sir.
This is how I guess. 4 is a square number, 100 is a square number, 7 is not a square number.
yes, sir.
This is my guessing. You should not follow this. You have to follow prime factorization. At the end, 2800 should be divided by 7. What do we get?
400.
400.
400, sir.
And the root of 400 is?
20.
20.
20.
It's easy.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Now this is difficult to guess. You will do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
2 minutes time.
5, sir.
8, sir, by 8.
5, sir.
5.
Yeah, sir.
There are two answers, 8 and 5. Any other answer?
5, sir. 5, 5.
5, sir.
Majority are
Five, sir.
saying 5.
So 5, sir.
Suppose
sir.
if I divide by 5, what do I get? 3 times
324.
15?
324.
324.
324.
18, sir.
18, sir.
Yes, sir. 5.
324.
Root of 324 is
18.
17.
18.
18, sir.
18. So this was a wrong answer. Who guessed it?
Right,
The
sir.
mistakes do happen if you are guessing. Okay. So you better solve it. Then it becomes proper one. This is the last question for today's session. 7th question.
Okay, sir.
The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class.
Sir, we should take the square root of 2401. Sir.
Why, sir? Why we have to take the square root?
Because they have said the total number of students.
Total
to
number
find
of
the total number of students
49.
what they have given. So we should be
Sir,
finding the
49.
square root to find the
Each
total number
student
of
donated
students
as
by
many
the
rupees as the
given
number
rupees,
of
sir.
students in class. Sir.
Very good. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. If I
So,
consider
sir, if
there
number
are
of students
Sir,
are x,
49.
then
X.
rupees donated by each student is x, and then we have to take x square, which is 2401.
Very good. So X number of students, they have contributed X rupees each. So X times of X is 2401. We get X square as 2401. We find X as root of 2401.
49.
Sir, 49.
In
49, sir.
If you remember the second class of the square roots when we started it, I told whenever we take square root, we always consider positive and negative, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But when it comes to numericals like this, we will not take a negative value because negative number of students won't be there, negative number
Yes,
of
sir.
amount cannot be collected. So how do we find the square root of this?
Prime factorization method or long division method.
Okay, let's follow prime factorization method. It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3.
3.
3 8 times is 24. It is not divisible by 3 also, sir.
Yes, sir. It's not
Yes,
divisible
sir.
by
By 7.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. It's
By
divisible by 7.
7, sir.
Divisible by 7.
7.
It is divisible by 7.
Yes, sir.
43.
7,
43.
343 times.
749, 7, 7, sir.
7, 343 times. Again,
Again
7.
7, sir.
7, 4s are 28. 7 9s are
7, 7,
Again 7, sir.
63. 7 7 times.
7, 1.
1, sir.
Sir, square root is equal to 49, sir.
7.
When we write
7 square into 7 square is equal to 240.
7 square into 7 square.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to the root of 49 whole square. The square root
Yes,
and
sir.
square they get cancel. We get x as 49.
49.
What does
Here
x
the
is
voice
49 means?
Number
The
of students.
number of student and the number
in the
of
class.
amount to be paid.
It is both number of students is 49 as well as each one of them have
Rupees also, sir.
contributed
49 rupees.
Rupees.
Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Nobody
No,
has a
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
If there is no doubt, you please note down the next question and try. This is for you to try. If somebody has understood the question, you can just tell how it can be solved.
So shall I tell, sir?
Not Shobhan. Every time Shobhan should not answer.
Sir, no,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Guru Kiran,
45, sir. 45.
I am not asking the answer. I want
Can I explain?
what can be
Sir, can I
done.
explain?
We should do square root of 2025, sir.
Because in each row, sir.
Each row it should be equal to each number of plants planted.
Yes.
There are as many rows as the number of plants in each row.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
If you consider x number of rows, the number of plants in each row is also x.
X, sir.
X square.
So x into x is equal to 2025, sir. So x square is equal to 2025 and x is equal to 45.
You have to think. You have to think in these lines. Suppose if people are standing in a parade, you will be standing in threes, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
To tell the total number of students in the parade, how do you calculate?
So we will divide it into two parts and we should multiply, we should make it a square, sir.
No.
Sir, we will take horizontal line and a vertical line and we will
Correct.
multiply that.
Rows and columns.
This is called as a rows this
And
way,
column.
and this way it is called as a column.
Columns.
So each time rows multiplied to column will give the total strength.
Yes, sir.
Here 3 are there. How many rows are there totally?
6, sir. 6 3s are 10, sir.
Here the number of rows are
It's 6.
3, sir.
6. The number of columns are 3.
Yes.
6 times of 3
We have to do
is
square
18.
root of
It is like this. Here the number of rows are x and the number of columns are
And
x.
also X.
So the total strength will be x into x, which is x square. So root of 2025, you calculate.
Sir, 45.
45?
45, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. So I shall end the class at this stage. We shall take up few more questions, followed by another important division method. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.